At Meridian Medical, we take pride in providing ophthalmologists with innovative tools that truly make a difference. One such moment unfolded at Bascom Palmer Eye Institute with Dr. Zubair Ansari, a respected ophthalmologist and one of its former residents. During our visit with Dr. Ansari, we demonstrated Meridian's MR Q Supine ND YAG Laser, a uniquely designed laser approved for use in the operating room and while a patient is in the supine position. Dr. Ansari's reaction was immediate. He was impressed by the laser's design, performance, and ease of use. And right away, he thought of a particular patient. That patient was a 59-year-old male paraplegic who had undergone cataract surgery a year and a half earlier. As often is the case, he developed a secondary cataract, a common complication easily treated with YAG laser. But due to his physical limitations, treatment with a traditional YAG laser made the procedure nearly impossible to achieve without significant risks. That is, until Dr. Ansari saw the MR Q Supine laser in action. Within hours, Dr. Ansari prepared to use the MR Q Supine on his patient. The procedure went smoothly. Both patient and doctor were amazed by the ease of use and clinical performance. For Dr. Ansari, this experience reinforced the value of having the right technology at the right time. And for the patient, it meant regaining clear vision and independence. At Meridian Medical, we're proud to support ophthalmologists expanding what's possible in patient care and outcomes, one successful case at a time.